Hey everybody, Scott here. Just wanted to show you this Tamiya 1/48 scale Douglas A-1J Skyraider model kit that I got to put together. So I love model airplanes and I love aviation history from all kinds of area to current aircraft to World War II to Vietnam, Korea, stuff like this. But this is just a cool looking plane, I think. So I decided to get this kit. So we're going to open it up. Here's your instruction booklet right here. A little bit of information on the aircraft. And then here's all your steps on the inside. It's got quite a few steps in this model. And then it shows you, what part of the sprue for each step. And then here's your Tamiya paint number when you're going through this kit. These little symbols here with the XF and then the number after it. So that's the instruction booklet. And then you got your sprues here, sprue frames, whatever you want to call them. There's the wings for this one. Looks like some of the armament or fuel tank. Here's another one here. And then more with a lot of your external and internal parts. As you can see right there, some more of your armament, bombs and stuff like that, rockets. And then here you have your fuselage. Looks like your fuselage. And then your cockpit, clear cockpit parts right there. And then right here is your decal. So that comes in a protective packaging, which is nice to protect it. And then back here with the instruction booklet, you have your color markings and for the outside and for the decals and stuff like that, depending on which way you want to mark it up and stuff. There's one, and then you've got another one right here for some more of your paint markings and decals and stuff. So just wanted to show you this real quick.